Hi everyone. I hope you're good today. Today we're looking at present continuous. When we use it, how to conjugate it. You will see it's a lot shorter than what we did for simple present. And so here we go. Present continuous. When do you use it? When something is happening now at this minute. For example, when I say I'm talking to you now. In the near future. So if you change your keyword from now to tomorrow, you can use present continuous for the near future. So for example, if I say this weekend, I'm visiting my grandmother, your keyword is this weekend. And since you use a keyword that tells you you're in the future, present continuous then will be telling you you're talking about something you're doing in the near future. Action in progress, that's the one that is a little more difficult to understand, but it's something that you're not doing usually, but is ongoing these days in your life. So for example, if I say I'm reading a really good book these days, it doesn't mean that at this minute I'm reading a book right now. It's just that these days in my life, currently, I'm reading a good book. If I say, for example, another example, I'm studying to become a doctor, it doesn't mean that at this minute you're in the process of studying, but it means that these days in your life you're studying to become a doctor. Same if you're saying, I'm learning English in England this summer. Well, it doesn't mean that right now, but for this chunk of your life, you're doing this action. So present continuous mostly is used to express an event or a situation that began in the past and that is happening now and will probably continue in the future. So to form the present continuous, now we'll look at the conjugation. You need the verb to be. So we're following the pattern of the verb to be. And then your main verb, you add ing to it. It's at the base form. So here we have talking as an example. So you have your subject, your verb to be. Don't forget that. A lot of people forget that when they're writing especially. So a lot of them would just say I talking. No, I am talking. So subject, verb to be, your main verb with ing. And it's the same thing everywhere. I am talking, you are talking, he, she, it is talking, we are talking, you are talking, they are talking. Of course, you have, there's a typo for continuous here, but of course you have your list of verbs, feeling verbs from simple present, and this list is used for present continuous because you don't put ing to those verbs, most of them. Of course, we said being is only when you're different than usual. Oh, he's being nice today. That means usually it's not nice. That's the only time you would use being. Having is only when you experience something. Oh, I'm having a good day. Oh, I'm having a good time. So that's an experience that you're having. But if you have something, for example, I have a car, that means you own it. So when you own something, no ing. When you experience something, you can use ing. Then you have seeing, which is two options. Seeing somebody, I'm seeing someone. That means I'm dating somebody. Or seeing, I'm seeing ghosts. Again, it's because my head is not well. I'm crazy, so I'm seeing things. Hearing, same thing. The only time you can use hearing is when your head is not okay. And that's it. The rest, understanding, you cannot say that. Needing, you cannot say that. Etc., etc. Wanting, you cannot say that. Loving is only McDonald's that use loving. I'm loving it. Okay, spelling rules. Most verb you just add ing, very easy. But if you have a short verb, one syllable or two syllable verbs ending with a vowel and consonant, you need to double the last consonant. For example, forget, 2 syllables. Put is only one syllable, and it ends with a vowel and a consonant, so you need to double it and then put your ing. Of course, if you have an E at the end of your verb, you just remove the E and then you add ing to it. If you have a verb that ends with IE, like die or lie, you replace the IE with your Y and then you add ing. So no more IE, you change it for Y plus ing. The negative form, of course, like I said, you follow the pattern of the verb to be. So you put not after the verb to be for the negative form. Yes, no question. Again, switch the subject with the verb to be, and you have your question there. Yes, no question. Of course, once again, if you have a question with the verb to be, you answer with the verb to be for a yes, no question. So, yes, I am, no, I'm not, etc., etc. Those are yes, no questions, so that means you answer with yes or no, short answers. Information questions, you start your question with a question word, and you add the rest of a yes, no question. So, why am I talking? Am I talking is a yes, no question. If you want an information question, then you follow the yes, no question pattern, but you just add your question word at the beginning. Time markers. So keywords, present continuous, at the moment, now, today, presently, currently, at this moment. Currently is used for actions in progress. You know, I told you about something you're doing these days, but you don't do usually, but not at this minute. This is currently. Future time. You can use a future time with present continuous. You just need to change your keyword for next week, tomorrow, next weekend, something that tells you you're in the future. And that's it.